Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this full set of nails from CVS for only $7. I'm going to be using the Kiss brand nail press-ons. So if you guys want to see what I've currently been doing for my nails and what I've really been loving, then please keep watching. So I am first going to be grooming my nails. I'm going to be cutting them, filing, and all that good stuff. But yeah, I have personally been loving the Kiss nails. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should. I talk about these Kiss press-on nails basically all the time. I love them. They save so much money, and this set is like a really nice matte coral. The one before this I've actually talked about in my last video. I personally love these Kiss nails. They were $7, buy one get one half off. Sometimes at Ulta they're like $10, but it's still worth it because the type of nails I like are like $50 at the salon with gemstones and all that type of stuff. So I'm personally a huge fan of the Kiss brand and all their nail stuff. I actually just made a huge order on Ulta's website because they were also buy one get one half off, so I got like 4 pairs. So if you guys want more videos of these, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below so I know to make more of them. Next, I like to file and buff out my nails. I actually got this set from Five Below for $2, and it's really nice quality. So as you guys see, it comes with a filer, it comes with a buffer and a smoother as well, and it's really nice quality for only $2. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I personally like to groom my nails before applying any type of press-ons. They have to be a smooth surface because you really want them to last all day. Personally, these last about 2 weeks for me. You will have some pop-offs if you bang your nails really hard. The difference is that when you have acrylic and you bang your nail really hard, you actually damage your real nail because it's hard to pop off. So you're in a lot of pain. But the best about these is that if you do bang your nail really hard, yes, it will hurt, but it just pops off. The press-on will just fall off rather than it damaging and hurting your real nail. So yeah, usually it will just keep glue on me in case one does pop off. Now I am taking this buffer that also came in this set from Five Below, and I'm using this on all my nails so it's nice and smooth. Next, I am using this other tool that came in the set. I'm not really sure exactly what it does, but it says it's like a finisher, a polisher, or smoother, whatever. But I am using this also. Next, I'm going to be spraying my nails with alcohol, and you want to do this because your nails have natural oils, and that oils, when you apply a press-on nail, will make the tips pop off way quicker than you really want them to. So make sure you spray your hands with alcohol and just pat it with a cotton ball or anything like that so that they are nice and clean. Next, we are going to be applying the Gel Fantasy Nails by Kiss. I have been loving this new collection because it really feels like real acrylic nails, and the shape of it is definitely one of my favorites because it's that coffin shape. Then each kit also comes with a glue, and this glue is so good. They sell glue separately as well, but I personally love the glue that comes in the packaging. They also come with a sticky, it's not really glue, it's kind of like a sticker, but those don't really last. They kind of last like for a couple of hours. That is what these ones are right here. It also comes with a filer, which I think is great because this whole kit has everything you possibly could need: the nails, the glue, the filer, and all that good stuff. And I'm just using this tool to push my cuticles down. I'm pretty sure that's what it's used for, but that is what I'm doing here. Next, I like to try on each nail to see which one fits the best, and then I'll just lay it out in front of me so it's super organized, and I keep it in order of each finger. I feel like that's really helpful when it's time to glue, so you're not holding the glue, looking for the nail, and doing all that. This is just going to be laid out for you and super organized. I can't even tell you how many people I have got hooked on these nails. They are so good, especially right now during quarantine since a lot of people are not able to leave their houses. This is definitely a great alternative for some people who have acrylic nails and they just can't get a fill-in or anything like that. This is definitely a great save. But even besides like not being able to leave the house, I have still been using these Kiss nails before that. I just personally am a huge fan of it, and I love the Gel Fantasy ones because it really reminds me of acrylic nails and it just saves so much money. Now for the main event, it is time to glue the nails I said glue the nails off. I meant glue the nails on. So I cut the top of the glue and I'm just applying the glue on my actual nail, and then I'm going to be taking the nail and placing it right on top, and I like to hold it for like 15-20 seconds until I feel that it's pretty secure. And then I also like to take a Q-tip, because sometimes if you put too much glue, the glue will pop out on the sides of your nails and then it dries and it just doesn't look good right away. And then I'm going to be doing the same exact thing to the other hand, so I'm just going to speed all of this up, but I'm going to leave the footage for anyone who is interested in watching. I sometimes find these videos really relaxing to watch. I watch a lot of nail videos, so for those who like these type of videos, I'm just going to speed this up so you guys can enjoy the video. Now that the nails are on, I like to take my filer and I just file the top, because since they are brand new, they are a tad bit rough at the top, so I file it so that it's nice and soft and doesn't scratch me or anything like that. And if you don't like the length of it, you are able to file it to your liking. There are a lot of people who purchase the Kiss nails and file it a lot shorter so that it is more to their liking. You can totally do that, but I personally love the length and the shape of it. I love it all. And yeah, that is how I apply my Kiss nails. It is super easy. It probably took me about 10 minutes, not even, and they look amazing. They literally look like I got them done in a salon, but I didn't. I saved so much money, and this usually will last me about 2 to 3 weeks, exactly how it lasts when I have acrylic on, which I think is great. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. I did just make an Ulta order with more of these nails, so if you guys want to see more videos, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.